Ajax Engineers Private Limited comprise an eminent team of highly trained professionals who established their company in 1982 in Colombo. Their declared purpose: to meet the demand for high-performance architectural aluminium and glass systems. In a fast-growing market, these well-trained experts at Ajax Engineers count over 30 years' experience in all phases of aluminium and glass fabrication and installation. They possess the required in-depth knowledge of the aluminium and glass industry. Ajax Engineers Private Limited is now a fully owned subsidiary of Browns Investments plc since July 2015. Completed projects. During the recent past, among the landmark completed projects by Ajax are The Emperor, Empire City, HNB Head Office, Mercedes-Benz Center, FLC Tower, Seventh Sense for John Keel's Land, Parkland Office Complex. Company culture and values. The company always abides by the concept of teamwork, pushing efficiency, being responsible, and quick to respond with action toward realizing goals. Policy. The Ajax team is committed to provide a quality product or service at an affordable price with on-time execution. We are supported by the procurement of foreign extruders and suppliers, and we maintain harmony with society and the environment. Financial ratio. The financial statements analyses are used in planning, evaluating, and controlling company operations. We assess past performance and the current financial position and make predictions about the future profitability and the cash flow of the company while constantly evaluating the effectiveness of our management. Company standards. In recognition of our professional quality, Ajax has been recognized with SP1 grading status by the Construction Industry Development Authority, which is the highest grade in the category of finishing trades a specialized contractor could achieve. Concept and scope of the project. The project: design and construction of the Secretariat for Personnel Identification of the Ministry of Defence and Urban Development on design and build basis at Batramulla. Employer: the Ministry of Defence and Urban Development. The main contractor for construction: International Construction Consortium Private Limited. Specialist contractor for aluminium work: Ajax Engineers Private Limited. Scope of work of the specialist contractor: supply and installation of aluminium doors and windows with SAPA proprietary system from Belgium, the entrance foyer and atrium roof, and to supply and install the Renobond 4mm thick aluminium composite panels in the main building with an open groove on the metal framework. Total value of the contracts: 375,149,720 rupees. The date of commencement: the 7th of May 2013. Date of completion: 30th October 2015. Fabrication and installation process. Aluminium doors and windows Ajax offered for this project is a complete proprietary system from Messrs. SAPA Building Systems of Belgium. A proprietary system includes architectural aluminium extrusions, system design cleats and accessories, custom-made hardware of locks and handles, custom-designed EPDM gasket, wedges, and so on. The products are tested according to BSEN specifications for water tightness, air permeability, and wind resistance by an independent accredited laboratory in Europe. This is backed by certified test reports. and the cladding work with aluminium composite panels is with Reynobond from France. The completed total cladding area is approximately 18,650 square meters, which is the highest area where cladding work was done in a single building in Sri Lanka as at present. The entrance foyer and the atrium roof of the project are from Apora, Indonesia. Use of innovative technology. It was identified at a very early stage that fabrication of cladding cassettes of approximately 16,000 numbers to cover the building area was the most critical, time-consuming activity in the project. To save time and also be in line with the program, a special punching tool was designed for the project which can cut V-shaped notches according to a precise shape and size instead of cutting with an ordinary hacksaw machine. The introduction of this punching tool resulted in not only fabrication of accurate cladding cassettes, but also it helped in reducing the required skilled man-hours, which is a crucial factor in any construction project for on-time completion. Health and safety. Being a company that has been credited with high construction quality, we supplied all the workmen with safety equipment such as safety boots, helmets, gloves, safety glasses, and so on. Every action was taken to assure zero lost time accidents. Welfare. As it is hard to find accommodation at affordable prices, several houses in the vicinity were acquired for rent, and accommodation was provided labor and the offices, employer learning and training. One of the company missions is to develop competencies among employees through training programs. The company has organized in-house training for both supervisors and installation staff in the factory, and they are provided with the required knowledge by qualified foreign experts among our suppliers. This has helped to enhance knowledge in technical aspects, while the staff also develop their leadership skills in team building and cohesiveness. Materials procurement. The procurement of material for the project was one of the major challenges. It has been identified at the end that over 279 million rupees worth of material, which is a little over 74% of the total contract sum, had been purchased via letters of credit for 21 different shipments. As the project was with the special approval of the Ministry of Defence, obtaining all the necessary approvals prior to clearing the goods was difficult. Officers in the Department of Buildings made thorough checks prior to approving the supporting documents, which led to us having to produce accurate approved shop drawings and precise material extraction sheets for all of the items. The trained staff in the head office played a major role in succeeding in this gigantic task and helped to clear the goods without incurring demurrage. In deployment of plant and machinery, being a 30-year-old company, Ajax is equipped with the major competitive advantage of a set of machines and tools they command. In the list of high-quality machinery are the double Allumatic cutter, a single Allumatic cutter, various types of router machines and punching machines, Allumatic router and Allumatic cutter for cladding operations, have helped the factory staff to fabricate precise doors, windows, and cladding panels exactly and accurately as approved in shop drawings, resulting in reduced wastage and rework. Quality assurance and quality control. The work program was prepared using Microsoft Project software to allocate required resources, time, and chart the sequence of activity. The cash flow chart was prepared at the beginning of the project. Monthly progress reports were submitted to the engineer at the progress review meetings. The quality of the product was assured by maintaining checklists and tests. Recommendations and reference. LOA contract agreement, certificate of completion. In spite of all the odds and practical difficulties, we are proud to have been associated with this project, and we believe that we have justified the decision taken by our client to entrust the specialist work of this landmark project to Ajax Engineers Private Limited.